Hi everyone, hope you all are good. So, we're going to start with grade 8 maths. So, you can find you can find all the lessons on aplusstudents.com. You have to log in there using your email address and password as provided by the administrator. Then you have to select math from the subject tab. Scroll down to grade 8 maths and click on view all lessons. So, there you can find a list of the chapters. So, we're going to start with the chapter 3 dimensional figures. So let's start. So the lessons we're going to cover today are front, side, and top view, base plans, similar solids, and then we'll do the final test of the chapter. So let's just start with three-dimensional figures. Let me just write down the lesson name, then we'll start. Okay, front, side, and top view. Okay, here I am on grade 8 maths. The chapter name is three-dimensional. I am on two-dimensional. Wait, and let me go to here is three-dimensional figures. So let's start with the lesson. Okay, front, top, side, and front, side, and top view. Let's start with the lesson. Okay, so if you look at this object from the front view, what will you see? Imagine you are looking at this object from the front. You will see the squares highlighted. Okay, in the question you are mentioned, if you look at the object from the front. So if you look it from the front, it would be this view. Got it? That would be highlighted in the and that would be the front view. Got it? So you will see what you will see. Oh, wait. Okay. So that is the face you will see when you look at from this view from the front. Got it? Let's start with the test questions. Okay. If you look at this object from the front side, what will you see? Which is the correct option? Option one or option two? Okay, just imagine you are standing here at this position. You're looking from the front view, you will see this one. Got it? This one you can see. So it would be the first option. Got it? The one with a single line block. Got it? So first option is the correct one. So just select the correct option, then click on the OK button. Okay, if you look at this object from the top, what will you see? So which of the option is the correct one? Option one or option two? This is the top view of the, this one is the top view. Sorry, this this one is the top view. Got it? So you can see this one, the two lined squares in the two lines. Got it? That would be the correct option. You can see this view. Got it? Okay, if you look at this object from the front, what will you see? If you look at this, which is the correct option, option 1 or option 2? Option number 1 is the correct option. Got it? You look this side. Got it? It will be 5 squared per line and two rows. So it would be the first option. Got it? So option number 1 is the correct option. Got it? So just select the correct option, click on the OK button. Okay, if you look at this object from the side, what will you see? Okay, so which is the correct option? Count the line 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2. Okay, the 5 rows columns, it would be the first option. Got it? So just select the correct option, then click on the OK button. Okay, if you look at this object from the front side, what will you see? Which option is the correct one? Option 1 or option 2? Option number 2 is not the part of this object. Got it? So you can see the option number 1. Got it? If you look at this object from the top, what will you see? Option number 1 is not the part of this object. Got it? You can see the option number 2. Got it, everyone? Okay, you look at this object from the side. What will you see? Which of the option is the correct one? Option 1 or option 2? Option number 1 is not the part of the object. You can see option number 2. Got it? If you look at the object from the front, what will you see? Which is the correct option, option 1 or option 2? Option number 1. Got it? Option number 2 is not the part of the object. Got it? You will see the option number 1. Okay, if you look at the object from the top, what will you see? Which is the correct option? Option 1 or option 2? So when you see the object from the top, you will see the option number 2 is the correct option. Just select the correct option, then click on the OK button. If you look at this object from the front, what will you see? Option 1 or option 2? Option 1 is not the part of the object. Option number 2 is, you can see option number 2. Got it? Okay, we are done with the test. So let us just move on to the next topic. The next topic is base plans. Let's start with the next topic, that is Baselines. If you look at this object's base plan, what does the object's base plan looks like? Imagine you are looking at the object from the top. You will see the squares highlighted. Okay, when you look at this object from top, you will see this portion. Got it? Okay, label the height of each part like this. This is the base plan. So what you have to do? Okay, so basically what you have to do, this is the top and the base are exactly the same of the object. Got it? So on the top you have uh, 4 4 square, 4 times 5. The base is 4 times 5. That means the top is 4 times 5. That means the base is also 4 times 5. That means here you have 4 rows and 5 columns. Got it? So you have to, and the base, on above the base you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So all of the squares must be mentioned by 5. Got it? Okay, let's start with the test questions. What is the object? What does the object's base plan? You have 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4. So it would be 3 cross 4. 3, you have 3 of the squares in the 1, 2, 3 in the width, and 1, 2, 3, 4 in the length. Got it? It is 3 times 4. So the base plan looks like the same thing at the top. It would be 3 cross 4, and you have 2 of the blocks on the top of base. So it would be all of them would be mentioned by 2. So option number 1 is the correct one because they have 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 3 cross 4 plan. Got it? So option number 1 is the correct option. Just select the correct option, then click on the OK button. Got it? Okay, what does the object's base plan look like? So which of the option is the correct one? Option number 1 or option number 2? The top or base must be same. Got it? So top has 3 cross 5. So that means the base must be 3 cross 5. Or also you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The height of the building is 5. So all of the squares must be mentioned by 5. So which option is the correct one? Option 1 or option 2? Yes, option number 1 is the correct option. Just select the correct option, then click on the OK button. Got it? What does the object's base look like? Which of the option is the correct option? Option 1 or option 2? Option number 2 is the correct option. Got it? So just select the correct option, then click on the OK button. What does the object's base plan looks like? Which of the option is the correct one? It would be, which option is the correct one? It would be option number 2. Got it? Just select the correct option, then click on the OK button. What does the object's base plan look like? It would be option number 1. Got it. Just select the correct option, then click on the OK button. What does the object's plan look like? Which of the option is the correct one? It would be option number 2. Got it. Option number 2 is the correct option. So just select the correct option, then click on the OK button. Okay, what does the object's plan look like? Which of the option is the correct one? Option number 1 is the correct option. Got it. Okay, what does the object's plan look like? Which, okay, so I haven't clicked on the OK button. Okay, what does the object's base plan look like? Which of the option is the correct one? Yes, it is option number 2. Just select the correct option, then click on the OK button. What does the object's base plan look like? Option number 1 is the correct option or 2? Yes, option number 1 is the correct option. Got it. What does the object's base plan look like? It would be option number 2. Got it. Just select the correct option, then click on the OK button. Okay, we have done with the test. Let's just start with the next lesson, and the next lesson is similar solids. Let's start with the new lesson, that is similar solids. Okay, the figures below are what is and so where you have to find the um, missing side in the ob- similar objects. Got it. So you have to form the proportion in the corresponding lengths. Got it. So just look at this side, at the this side is corresponding to this side. So it would be either you can write 8 over 10, and then this side is corresponding to the missing one. So you can write it 8 over n, like this one. 8 by 10 equals 8 over n. So just solve it for the n. Just do cross multiplication. 8 times n and 10 times 80. So 8 times n is 8n and 10 times 8 is 80. So you have to remove that 8. So divide both sides by 8. It would be then n equals 10. That means the missing side length is 10 centimeters. Got it? Okay, let's just start with the practice questions. Okay, you are given with the figures that are similar. You have to find the missing side length. Got it? So just look at the corresponding side. This is corresponding to this one, and this is corresponding to this one. Also, they are the squares. So the squares have all four sides equal in length. So the correct option is 6 yard. But you can find the missing value by forming a proportion between the, like, 10 yards is similar to W, so it would be 10 divided by W, and 10 yards is corresponding to this side, so it would be 10 divided by 6. So just do cross multiplication. W times 10 equals 10 times 6. It would be 60. You have to divide both sides by 10. So W equals 6. Got it? The correct option is 6. Just select the correct option and click on the OK button. Got it? So the correct option is 6 yards. Okay, the figures below are similar. What is the value of the K? So just form the proportion between the similar sides. This length is similar to length. So it would be 10 divided by K, and width is similar to width. So it would be then 4 over 2. So just do cross multiplication. It would be 4 times K equal 10 times 2. So it would be 4K equals 20. Divide both sides by 4 because you have to find the value of K only. So it would be K equals 5. Got it? That means the value of K is 5. So just select the correct option and click on the OK button. Okay, the figures below are similar. What is U? So just form the proportion between the similar sides. Width is 3 feet, so it would be 6 divided by 3. And height is, these are the corresponding sides, it would be U divided by 4. So just do cross multiplication. It would be 6 times 4 equals 3 times U. 6 times 4 is 24 and 3U. Divide both sides by 3 because you have to find the value of U. So it would be U equals 8. 3 times 8 is 24. So U equals 8. So the correct option is 8. Got it? Just select the correct option and click on the OK button. Okay, just form the proportion between the corresponding sides. So it would be 5 is corresponding to 3 centimeter. It would be 5 divided by 3. And then C is corresponding to 3. So it would be then C divided by 3. Got it? So just do cross multiplication. It would be 3C equals 5 times 3. It would be 3C equals 15. Divide both sides by 3. So it would be C equals 5. Got it? The correct option is 5 centimeter. So just select the correct option, then click on the OK button. Got it? 5 centimeter is the correct option. Okay, so just form the proportion between the corresponding side. It would be 8 divided by 4 equals U divided by 5. So just do cross multiplication. It would be 8 times 5 and 4 times U. So it would be 40. So it is 40 equals 4U. So just divide both sides by 4. It would be 10. U equals 10. So the correct option is 10 feet. Just select the correct option and click on the OK button. Got it? So it would be 10 feet. Okay, the figures below are similar. What is n? So what is the value of n? You can use your notebook and pencil so that you can find the missing side. So which of the option is the correct one? It is 10. Got it? Because square has all four sides equal in length. So if the one of them is 10, the other one is also 10. Got it? So just select the correct option and click on the OK button. The figures below are similar. What is Q? Which is the correct option? The correct option is option number 1. Just select the correct option and click on the OK button. The figures below are similar. What is U? So which is the correct option? It is 8 yards. Got it? The correct option is 8. Just select the correct option, then click on the OK button. The figures below are similar. What is G? It is 9 millimeters. Got it? The figures below are similar. What is C? It is the first option. Got it? So just select the correct option and click on the OK button. The figures below are similar. What is A? So the correct option is option number 1. It would be 4 inches. Got it? Just select the correct option and click on the OK button. The figures below are similar. Which is the correct option? The correct option is 2 centimeters. Got it? The figures below are similar. What is U? It would be 5 centimeters. Got it? Just select the correct option and click on the OK button. The figures below are similar. What is B? It is 6 yards. Got it? The figures below are similar. What is D? So the correct option is 7 inches. Got it? So we are done with the test. So let's just start with a new lesson. That would be the final test of the chapter. Got it? So let's just start with the final test of the chapter. Okay. What, what does this plan looks like? So which of the option is the correct one? Option 1 or option 2? Option number 1 is the correct option. Got it? So just select the correct option and click on the OK button. What which net will make the figure? Option 1 or option 2? The given figure don't have any circle. Got it? That means that isn't the correct option. Option number 2 is the correct one because the given figure has the triangle. So option number 2 is the correct option. Got it? The figures below are similar. What is A? So which of the option is the correct one? Both of them are square. Square have all four sides equal in length. Got it? That means the missing side length is 4 inches. Or either you can form the proportion between the corresponding sides. Got it? Which will make this figure? Which of the option is the correct one? Option number one. Got it? Because we don't have circle in the given figure. So the option number one is the correct option. Got it? The figures below are similar. What is the value of k? So which of the option is the correct one? It would be 5 millimeters. Got it? You can form the proportion between the corresponding sides. The length is corresponding to length. It would be 10 divided by k. And then width is corresponding to width. So it would be 4 divided by 2. So just do cross multiplication. It would be 10 times 2 equal 4 times k. 10 times 2 is 20 and 20 equals 4k. Then k equals 5. Got it? So the correct option is 5. Just select the correct option and click on the OK button. So the correct option is 5. Okay, the next one is, what does the object's base plan look like? Which of the option is the correct one? Option 1 or option 2? That would be option number 2. Got it? Okay, the figures below are similar. What is the value of n? So which is the correct option? So it is 10 centimeters. Got it? Just select the correct option and click on the OK button. What does the object's base plan looks like? So which of the option is the correct one? Option number 2 is the correct option. Got it? Just select the correct option and click on the OK button. Which figures will the net make? Which of the option is the correct one? It is option number 1. The figures below are similar. What is the value of u? That would be 8 feet. 7 feet is the correct option. Got it? Oh, that would be 8. So the figures below are similar. What is Q? So which of the option is the correct one? Option 1 or option 2? Option number 1 is the correct option. Got it? Which net will make this figure? Which of the option is the correct one? Option 1 or option 2? Option number 2 is the correct option. Got it? If you look at this object from the front, what will you see? Which of the option is the correct one? It would be option number 1. Look at this figure. What is the shape of its base? Decagon or rectangle? Top and base must have the same shape. Got it? That means top is a rectangle, so base must be a rectangle. Got it? Look at this figure. What is the shape of the base? Square or octagon? Which of the option is the correct one? The top is square. That means the base must be a square. Got it? Okay, the next one is which figure will this net make? Option 1 or option 2, which is the correct option? Option number 1 is the correct option. Okay, you can complete the test by yourself later today. So here is the list of the lessons we have covered today. We are working on grade 8 maths. The chapter we did is three-dimensional figures, and the lessons we have covered are front, side, and top view, base plans, similar solids, and the final test. Got it? So if you need more help with any of the question, you can ask question if you have any. Okay, that's all for today. Please make sure before the next session you have to complete all the test questions for the lessons we did today. If you need more help with any of the lesson, either you can contact any tutor on the Skype. They are available from Monday to Friday, 5 to 9. Got it? Or you can join me or you can join me in interactive class that would be daily from 9 to 9:45. Got it?